everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are making buffalo chicken pasta. What we're really doing is we're taking some of our favorite flavors of buffalo chicken and just making a pasta out of it. It's a super easy recipe, very delicious, kind of perfect for the spicy food lover actually. And again, you can whip this together super fast. It's done in like 15 minutes at the most, or maybe 20 if you're slow like me. So. But it's great for easy weeknight meals, and again, it's really perfect for the spicy food lovers. So let me show you how to make it. All right, guys, let's make some buffalo chicken pasta. I'm going to show you how easy this is to make. You can whip this together during the week anytime you want to. So I've got a couple of cups of noodles. I'm just going to pop it into my boiling water, slightly salted. And by the time those noodles are ready, our dish is going to be done. So I've got my pan already hot, heated up to about medium heat, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon or so of olive oil. Get that heated there, and then I've got here almost a pound of chicken. So I'm just going to get that popped in to the pan. Along with here, I've got about a tablespoon of Cajun seasonings, and you can use other seasonings if you want to. Like a nice taco seasoning blend would be good here. Just kind of get your chicken coated and seasoned up there. And I'm going to add the onions. I got about a medium-sized white onion, all chopped up. And I've got 2 jalapeno peppers, nicely chopped for some flavor and heat. But you can use bell peppers if you want a mild version, or hotter peppers if you want to. Just going to get it all together in the pan, everything together. And I'm going to cook this down for a good 5 minutes or so, just to soften up the vegetables and cook the chicken mostly through. And then once we're done with that, pop everything else into the pan and pop this together, whip it together in no time. So, all right, I'll be back when this is cooked through a bit more. All right, it's been about 5 minutes and the chicken is nicely cooked through, everything's softened up. So we can continue on with a super easy recipe. Here I've got a few cloves of garlic, and you can add as much as you want really. I love garlic, lots of delicious garlic. So pop that into your pan and cook it down for about 30 seconds to a minute until you can smell your gorgeous garlic blooming. Smells good, cooks up pretty fast. Garlic always adds a lot of flavor. Deliciousness. Keep stirring a bit. And everything else goes into the pan now. So here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. Gonna pop that in. I've got about 3 ounces of blue cheese. Add some delicious flavor right there. And I have a cup of buffalo sauce. So you can use your favorite buffalo sauce. Use a store-bought brand, or check out my homemade recipe. I have a really good homemade buffalo sauce that's super delicious. And a few other extra flavors. I've got a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Gonna doctor it up a little bit. And a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Just pop that in. And we're just gonna mix this all together and just keep stirring it down until your cheeses all melt through and everything becomes very uniform. And it won't take very long here. So let me just get this all mixed up and see how quickly your cream cheese all melts down here. This is a very creamy buffalo sauce. It's just totally delicious. So, all right, look at that. It's breaking down pretty quickly. And you can skip cream cheese if you want to have way more of the buffalo flavor. And you can use, for a lighter version, use like sour cream or crema. Sometimes I'll add that in there just to lighten it up a little bit, but I do love the cream cheese. Absolutely tasty. All right, look at that. Very, very creamy. And you can also add more buffalo sauce if you want to. A lot more of that buffalo flavor, or a little bit less if you want to. More seasonings. This is really super easy to adjust to your own personal tastes. So, all right, this is basically ready at this point. So now the only thing you got to do is just make sure it's all very uniformly cooked. And don't forget, if you want to adjust for salt and pepper to your own personal tastes. Here you go. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Give it a taste and, adjust to however you want it to. So get my seasonings all mixed together. And now the last thing I have to do is really just kind of wait for my noodles to be done. So I'll check on those in a minute. And I'm just going to keep this nicely warmed until we are ready to serve. So that's it, buffalo chicken pasta coming right up. All right, my buffalo chicken sauce is ready. Pasta's ready. Got this on a little simmer, just waiting. So I've got I have my pasta strainer and got my cooked pasta right here. Only about 10 minutes or so. Gonna go ahead and strain it. Get that ready here. Drain my pasta a bit. And right into the pan. Boom. Set that down. Just stir it all together. A very, very easy recipe, isn't it? I mean, again, you can whip this together, 10, 15 minutes with your prep time. Maybe if you're a slower cook like I am, it could take you 20 minutes, But very, very easy. Very creamy deliciousness right here. So, all right. That is it, guys. This is how you make buffalo chicken pasta. And I need to give it a taste with a fork. All right. Look at that. Look at how creamy it is. Delicious. It's got a lot of the buffalo sauce flavor. Oh man, I just love this stuff. So right at this point, what you can do, you can add some extra blue cheese crumbles. You can adjust with a little salt and pepper, little fresh herbs, little red chili flake. But that's it. Boom, you got yourself buffalo chicken pasta right here. Serve it up. Super easy weeknight meal. It's a great lunch idea. Super popular on the website. Everybody loves this. It's just, again, very easy to make, very delicious, and perfect for the spicy food lovers. So that's it, guys. That's how you make buffalo chicken pasta. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think when you make it. I'd love to hear. So, all right, I'll see you next time. It's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I'll see you for some more recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day.